So one common thing people say to me is, Dandapani, if I meditate 5 minutes a day in the morning, will that help me concentrate? Two things here. One is meditation doesn't help you concentrate. This is a total false, erroneous belief. Concentration leads to meditation. You cannot meditate unless you can concentrate. So meditation doesn't help you concentrate. Second is, look at it this way. You've heard of Usain Bolt?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Right? I don't know much about this guy, but I'm going to make a few assumptions, and you all correct me if my assumptions are wild. He's from Jamaica.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. The boy goes to the gym. He's ripped. Have you seen him?
Yeah.
Right? There's not an ounce of fat.
He works out.
Yeah. He works out, right? He drinks a lot of water, I'm sure. I'm sure he stretches because he's doing quick sprints. I'm sure he runs every day when he was competing. His whole day was probably filled with rituals. For what? For 9.58 or 56 seconds. Not 9.56 seconds supports the whole day. Right? And you need to look at your life that way. Your whole day is a preparation. At first, your rituals throughout the day is what supports you. Then you start meditation, right? You can't meditate for 5 minutes a day and then the rest of the day practice distraction. Don't lead a life that supports meditation. My guru had a beautiful saying, and he quite often would say that, most people can't meditate because they do not lead a life that supports the practice of meditation, right? And with a sprinter, his whole day is supporting him so that when he gets on the track, for 9.58 seconds, he's the fastest man in the world. So in the monastery, that's how we looked at our life. We meditate only an hour a day, but the remaining 23 hours was a diligent practice of practicing everything that would support our meditation. So when we actually came to sit down together at 6 a.m., we'd been practicing for 23 hours. How ready are we now to meditate?
Right.
We were so ready. But people don't prepare, right? People are running into a yoga class. Oh my God, I'm almost there, right? Running into the gym, like I'm late for my session. And then they're running out again. How many people prepare to come to the gym?